So ito na nga, lately napapansin ko na lagi na lang akong nagkakaubo at sipon. Siguro dahil nga sa pabago-bago ng weather. And ayoko naman uminom ng mga ascorbic acid dahil nga ina-acid ako. And meron nga akong na-discover na vitamin C na collagen na rin siya. Ito pala ay dietary supplement na rin with collagen and vitamin C. Syempre, inuumpisahan ko to sa umaga. Mas okay na walang laman ng sikmura mo. So I started taking Daily Plus because it's collagen and ascorbic acid in one. Ito na yung era ko ngayon. Mag-start ako ng morning para uminom. It supports stronger hair and nails with vitamin C that strengthens immune response. Promotes also firmer, more youthful looking skin. Helps maintain joint flexibility and cartilage health. Ascorbic acid helps the body produce and absorb collagen more effectively. So today I am starting my 30-day glow up with Daily Plus collagen with vitamin C. So, importante talaga na may collagen pa rin tayo and syempre, lalong-lalo na ang may vitamin C. So, ang maganda dito is 2-in-1 na siya. Meron na siyang collagen, may vitamin C pa. For adults, take 2 capsule daily, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening before meal. So, if you are pregnant, please consult also your OBGYN before taking this Daily Plus. For as low as 288 pesos, pero syempre, disclaimer lang, pwedeng magbago ang presyo. So, add to cart now.